Hello friends, do fishes need oxygen? Let's talk on it. Yes, as we human beings need oxygen for breathe. Similarly, fishes also need oxygen in water for breathing. Let's talk on this point how we can add oxygen. We can use different methods. First one, very simple, and most of the aquarium people use that one, that is air pump. But the main issue in air pump is the noise. Second option came wave maker. I can use the wave maker to break the tension. Same here is happening. With this wave maker, this oxygen adding problem is solved. But wave maker is too much costly. Everybody cannot purchase this one. So I was trying to find another solution by which I can add oxygen without wave maker and without air pump, as wave maker is costly and air pump creating noise. So for that, if we see this pump, this is RS3002, this is power head. We have seen too many power head in different aquariums. This power head filter have one input here where I can connect this pipe and put it outside the tank. It will take the air and take out from this. So if I can show inside, it has a cut of 45-degree angle. It means if I take this pipe and cut it at 45 degree, then I can do the same thing which is happening inside this power head. And if I use a small pipe from where the water is coming, if water is coming from this side, and if I make a hole at this point before exit 1 inch or 1.5 inch before and put this pipe here, angle should be downside, so there will create a vacuum at this point due to water movement in this direction. When water will pass fast from here, it will create a vacuum, and due to this vacuum, air will come inside from atmosphere and air will come here and it will mix with water and air bubbles will be created. And if I will make this turn like this, then the water will go inside this pipe and come out from here. It means I have to put it in that direction, so water will not go in this pipe, only air will come. And my problem will be solved. Like this, I can add the air in my tank. With power head filter, you will see too much tiny small micro bubbles, which does not look good in tank. So I don't want to use this option. Every aquarium has one pump that is used as power head, maybe some filter, maybe overhead filter. Any type filtration system have one pump which throw the water in tank. You can say return pump. Similarly, I have here this one. This is NSF 803 35 watt pump. It's giving back the water from here and coming here and falling here. So I think that this option that I have explained here, if I make a pipe like 45-degree angle and put here, it will make air bubbles. So if I use the same concept and put in pipe here like this and connect with that pipe which is coming from my sump filter return pump, then I can make the same bubbles which is coming out in a power head filter. Here I put one regulator to close the air and open the air as per requirement. This bottle I will tell little bit later why I connect this bottle here. When I open this air, I see there is too much bubbles are coming because this pump is 35 watt, its pressure is too much, water flow is 2000 liter per hour. A small air intake can make too much bubbles here. But then I see there are too much tiny small bubbles in my complete tank and I cannot see my fishes. Then I put this bottle here. This is simple 1.5 liter water bottle. I place this bottle here and that air bubbles was falling in this bottle and then water was coming out from this bottle in tank. So air bubbles also added and this small tiny air bubbles are also removed. So my problem solved. Now if I open this, I have closed this air line from this air controller knob. If I open this, then we can see here small air bubbles will start coming here. If I keep it opening, slow increase. Now I have opened full. Now we can see too much air bubbles are coming in this bottle. And if we see here, there is no tiny or small bubbles in my tank. It's same as before. But if I don't use this bottle, you will not see the fishes. All the tank will be full of this small or tiny bubbles. Maybe little bit came, but not too much. With bottle, I was getting best aeration without small tiny bubbles. But there was some problem which I observed after 2 or 3 days. Let's discuss one by one. First one, this small white color fish, this one, when I put the feed, stuck behind that bottle. Second, the some filter water coming from here and falling down at this point. Without bottle, it was falling straight down, and it was helping Wavemaker to move the waste this side to the some filter inlet point. But when I connect the bottle, the water was coming out from top of the bottle. So the sport of water finished. Next, the bottle does not look good. So I plan to put a box here at this point. But the same point, water will come in that box and come out from that box top. That's why I don't want to put hair box. That will do the same. That will not support the Wavemaker to move the waste towards that side. Then I did too much experiments and try to find the best result. That I took this 1-inch dia pipe, because this some filter return pipe is 3 by 4 inch. If I will use 3 by 4 inch same dia pipe here, then I have to move this pipe, air intake pipe, which I have connected this one at the end. I have already explained that this air line pipe should be connected before 1 inch or 1.5 inch where the water is exiting. If I will connect 3 by 4 inch pipe here, then the length will increase, so I have to move this pipe at this place. If I will move this pipe at this place, airline pipe, then here again small teeny micro bubbles produce. So I put this pipe here. This is loose in that. If I show here, this is 3 by 4 inch pipe, this is 1 inch pipe, and it's loose. Here too much gap. It means it will not airtight. If you will take 1 inch elbow from sanitary shop, that will be heavy and big in size. This is electrical wiring elbow. I take this one 1 inch and put in front of this, and then I put here. And with this glass sucker, I connect this one at this place. Now air bubbles are coming from here, coming down, and at this place micro and big all air bubbles collect together and come out and become big. Then my tank is without small air bubbles and my all problem solved. And second, when I give the feed, one small white color fish, this one, stuck behind that bottle. That was dangerous. Now it's okay because I have gap between the glass and this pipe. Now the water coming out from here, it was helping the Wavemaker to throw the waste towards some filter intake. I can bring this pipe till here, but as Wavemaker will do the section and it will throw all the air bubbles inside tank. That's why I move it up, but still water is falling here and air is going upward. I fix this pipe here tightly, because if this pipe will go down below this water level inside the tank, then air bubble will stop. And if it come out and go below this water level, then water will come out. That can be dangerous. Before I connect here air regulator, but as I open the regulator full, that's why I remove this one. This airline pipe can be connected anywhere, like if I have some filter downside or top filter or any power head filter. Now I shall observe 3-4 days at least. Maybe this will increase the oxygen level in water. If oxygen level will increase, then the fishes will get white transparent bubble on eyes. This is called transparent eye bubble disease. So I need to reduce the air. Now if fishes will go on top surface, it means oxygen is less. I need to increase the air more. Hope this video will help someone. Still, if I did something wrong, then please tell me in comments so that I can make it correct. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.